Hi and welcome to this video for writtenlegalenglish.com, where once again I'm going to give you a link to a fantastic resource to help you build your plain English library. Last week I asked you to download the Plain English Guide issued or published by the Securities and Exchange Commission back in the 1990s. Truly groundbreaking stuff as regards how you should approach English for it to be easily understood by your audience, who you're writing to and who you're communicating with. Now, it is a monster document. It runs to well over 100 pages, which is great if you've got the time to read through it and consume it and enjoy all of the details. But if you haven't got that time, then I've got a resource for you which is just as important, and it was published in 2015. Why was it important? It's because it was published by Adobe. Adobe in 2015, or probably before, made the decision that to rewrite all of their legal texts in plain English. So if you have an Adobe product, which I'm sure you have, whether it's a PDF reader or whether it's something else, all of the legals with those products should be in plain English now. Now, the decision by Adobe to do this is vitally important because Adobe is a huge worldwide player, and it recognized that it needs to communicate with its clients, with its customers. And the way to do that is to remove the veil of secrecy behind legalese and communicate that language in plain English so everyone can understand and everyone can be informed. This document is less than 30 pages. It neatly and concisely sums up the most important points about plain English, some of it very common, some of it quite new. And it's definitely interesting to see how Adobe looked at this, changed it to their style, and are using it in the way they want to use plain English. So if you're watching this on YouTube, the link to that document will be in the description below the video. If you're watching this video on Facebook, it will be above in the text. Either way, click on the link, download that resource, download that document, read through it, flick through it. It's something that really you can print off, take it with you on the bus home, on the tram home, however you get home, as long as you're not driving, of course. Flick through it and have a look at the points that it raises. A lot of it, if not all of it, will ring true with you, and it will be talking about things that you meet when you are writing English. Okay, so download that document, have fun with it, and I'll see you again next week with another fantastic resource.